close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase and leave.
So guys, first let's take a div and let's give it a class container. Okay, inside that let's take video and source is des.mp4. You can see guys, this is my video and I'll give these things in description. You can take them. Okay, now let's close this one. Yeah, now let's add some important attributes. First one is autoplay, so it will play continuously whenever it loads, and then let's keep muted, and then let's put loop so that it will play continuously. Okay, and after that what we'll do is that let's take a div and let's give it a class called content. Okay, and inside this let's take h1 and let's give it a class called heading. Okay, and inside this let's write paradise. Okay, paradise, simple. And after that let's take a button and let's give it a class called btn, and here let's write explore. Okay, simple. You can see here we have our paradise and we have our button. Now let's go to css. So here first I have taken Google Font API as pop-ins. I hope you guys know how to get this one. Okay, and I have given some common styles like margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing border box. Okay, now first thing what we'll do is that let's take our container. So I'll write container, and inside this first let's give it a width. So I'm gonna give width as 100%, and then let's give height, and height should be 100 viewport height. Okay, and after that let's give it display flex, and after that let's put justify content center, and after that let's put align items center. Okay, so that our content will be in the center. And after that let's take our content. Okay, and for this first let's give text align center so that it will center our text. And let me expand this once, and if I scroll this, you can see we have this paradise and explore. The reason these things are side by side because we have given display flex. Now let me minimize this and let me take heading. Okay, so let's take heading, and first thing what we'll do is that let's take font size. So I want to give font size as 160 pixel. Okay, and after that let's take font weight. So font weight should be maybe 600. Okay, after that let's give it a color, and color should be white color. Okay, awesome. Now let me expand this one. Yeah, you can see guys, we have this paradise in white color. Now let's style this button. Okay, so let me minimize this one and let's select that button actually. So let me type btn, and first thing what we'll do is that let's give it a color, and color should be white again. Okay, after that let's give it a font size. So font size should be 16 pixel, and after that let's give it a border, and border should be 2 pixel solid, and then it should be white color. Okay, after that let's give it a padding. So padding should be 14 pixel and then 17 pixel on top and bottom. Okay, after that let's give it a background, and background should be transparent. Okay, simple. And after that let's take border radius. So border radius is maybe let's take 40 pixel. Now let's style our most important component. For that first let's add a class to our video. So maybe let me give it a class called vid. Okay, simple. Now let's go to css and let me take that here. So I'll write vid. Now I'm gonna show you one simple trick guys. First let's take position as absolute. Okay, so I'll write position absolute, and then let's take width as 100 percentile, and then let's take height, and height should also be 100 percentile, and after that let's take top 0, left to 0. Okay, simple guys. Yeah, you can see guys, our video is perfectly placed. Now let me minimize this one. Yeah, so what we'll do here is that let's give z index, which will put our video behind content. So let me write here -1. Simple. Now you can see guys, this is our text and this is our explore button. Oh sorry, let me give font size as 22 pixel maybe. Yeah, looks much better. Yeah, now there is one property that we are missing guys, that is object fit and value is cover. The purpose of this property is that it will scale or it will crop the image if there is any excess part, and it will position the video or image correctly according to its container. Okay, and it will work well in all devices. It will preserve the quality and it maintains perfect aspect ratio. Let's add here object fit and let's write cover. Now observe what happens. You can see guys, our video took entire space of its container and positioned correctly. Okay, now let me expand this one. Yeah, you see guys, this is looking really good, and let's add cursor pointer to this button. Yeah, here let's add cursor pointer. Okay, simple. And along with that let's add overflow hidden. Okay, overflow hidden to the container. Simple. Now if I go to browser, yeah, now if I inspect this, you can see guys, this is not looking good. Now let's make it responsive. First let's take media, and then let's take max width, and let's take max width as 768 pixel, and inside this let's target heading first, and inside this let's take font size. Okay, first font size, and let's give 80 pixel, and let's copy this whole thing and let me paste it here, and here let's take 480 pixel. Okay, 480 pixel. Simple. And here P is missing, sorry. Yeah, awesome. Now here instead of 80 let's give 60. Now let me go to browser. Yeah, you can see guys, this is looking much better. Now let me change the device width. Yeah, you can see now it's a little bit bigger, and if I open full width it will be even more bigger. Okay, and likewise you can also change the size of this button. Okay, this is it for the video guys. If you have learned something from the video, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.